Joining us this morning in a CNBC exclusive is Intuit's CEO Sasan Goodarzi. Sasan, great to have you back. Stocks rallied $100 since May, and I wonder if you think it reflects some of the tweaks that you've made to the model.
Well, Carl, thank you for having me. We're excited about our momentum. We had a great quarter. We guided the double-digit growth for next year. And we're very excited about a virtual launch on September 6th, where we're going to unveil a number of experiences that are driven by all of our investments over the years in data, AI, and Gen AI. And I think simply said, I would put that our experiences are shifting us to a world for small businesses and consumers where it's a world of done for you, where we can help you grow your customers and be able to manage your cash flow and having us by your side to tip the world in your favor and doing the same thing for consumers. So we're excited about our current momentum and more excited about what's ahead.
I won't ask you to spoil the surprise in advance of the meeting and the rollout, but I will ask you whether or not you think the street is hungry for not just use cases, but money attached to those use cases.
I think that's exactly right. One of the things I talk a lot about internally is there's hype and there's reality. First of all, you have to have large unsolved customer problems. You have to have the capability, and then you have to have a business model. You have to be able to make money. And I think that's where we come in. We've been investing in data and AI for over a decade. And so we have sort of had a 10-year head start. And a lot of the innovation across the company has actually been fueled by all of our investments in data and AI. And a couple of years ago, we accelerated investments in Gen AI. And what's unique in our world relative to Gen AI is it humanizes things. It personalizes things. It can leverage our data, that's our customers' data, to really help them with things like putting together marketing campaigns for them, helping them understand how those campaigns executed and propose other campaigns, help them manage cash flow, whether they need a loan to increase their inventory or to increase their sales, or to do a better job of letting us follow through with existing customers to get paid for the work that they've done. Doing all of that automagically is really important when you think about small businesses, up to 100 employees, where they don't have the enterprise help that we have. And we will, with data and AI, in particular now Gen AI, be able to provide that perspective for them to help fuel their success. And I think that's exactly right. The market is looking for that. What are the use cases? Is it have a compelling benefit? Can you make money and monetize based on those benefits? And I think that's a lot of what you're going to see in our September 6th launch. So we're excited about it.
Sasan, I'd love to get your sort of broader view as the CEO of Intuit when it comes to the health of small businesses. Obviously, really strong revenue here that you posted from the jump in small businesses. But going forward, what are your expectations?
Well, just a little bit of context for your viewers. We have over 10 million small businesses around the world that we serve and over 90 million consumers. So we've gotten a lot of scale. I'll start with small businesses. What I would share is their cash reserves is about 90% of what it was this time last year. So their cash reserves are down, but it's actually healthier than pre-pandemic. So they're still healthy, but they're having to work hard in this environment. Generally speaking, there's also demand for labor. They are still hiring. That's an aggregate. And then there are sectors, I would say, that are very weak, like transportation, real estate, advertising is weak. But overall, there is strength when you compare where small businesses are today, versus pre-pandemic. And I would say on the consumer side, a couple of things. One, if you look back to March of last year, credit scores are actually down about 13 points. Credit card balances are up about 30%. And Gen Z particularly, their balances have gone up the most. It's up 45% year over year. Now, the good news is we still have a very strong, job market. But consumers are feeling the strain of the current economic environment with inflation. But the good news is I think inflation is topped out and we should be headed for a better future.